Do you feel like God's moving slow? Hello, I'm Clarence. I'm the preacher. I have an idea that most of us sometimes feel like God is moving really slow. Seems like it takes forever for Him to answer prayer sometimes. So, what's going on? Why does God move on such a slow timetable? And incidentally, He does move quite slow most of the time. So, by the end of this video, I hope to give you just a little bit insight into why that is. Number one, He is training us. He is training us to be patient and to trust His timing and to have faith in Him. Not something we really wanted to train in, but it's part of the Christian training. Number two, He is training us to understand that we are not the center of the universe. Our little agenda that just adheres just to our lifetime between now and the tombstone isn't really that big of a deal in the eye of eternity. And so sometimes He just waits so that we can understand that we're not all as important as we think we are, and He certainly is not our genie in a lamp just waiting to answer our questions. He does not sit at our beck and call. And then finally, I think one of the reasons He can be so slow to answer prayer sometimes is He's waiting on us to take action. Let's be honest. Sometimes we sit around wanting God to do what we could very well do for ourselves, and we're just being lazy. We don't want to do it. We're kind of like a kid that wants mom and dad to do their work for them. Well, some mom and dads may do that, but God is not going to do that. And so He answers on His timetable, from His perspective, from His eternal wisdom. Not always what we want, but that's the way it works. Hey, share this video if you think it would help somebody else. I do believe that together we can make a difference. Put your comments below if you'd like, and as always, I hope you have a great day.